Dear Alani, I got a question for you. Who makes the decision, the big decisions? Well, it's not that big of a decision. It'd be pretty easy. I understand that it's time for Witch's Brew. I understand it. And y'all created a little ruby apple situation and a little cream situation, which I haven't seen anybody go crazy about. I can't find it, but people do the little thing. Oh, yeah, it's great. Whatever. I'll mix that with such and such. I understand all that. However, I got people on the internet yesterday. I ended up somehow on Alani Talk. People are trying to make the lime Alani themselves, okay? They are literally taking the cotton candy Alani and adding some lime to it, or some Simply Lime, or whatever it's called, the powder stuff. I just woke up, y'all. I have a clock. We have a clock that shines up on the ceiling, and we have it shines up. And Kenny had it where I couldn't see the time. I haven't slept till 9:30. I haven't slept until 9:30 in the morning, almost into the afternoon, y'all. I don't know if I can't see what time. If I don't look over there and see it's 7 o'clock, I'll just keep on sleeping. But anyway, back to you. Oh, we got people trying to make it. They're mixing all kinds of concoctions trying to make this. I mean, what do the people have to do to get you to understand that this needs to be back in production, the lime? I have never. It smells so good. I have never seen anybody crazy as crazy as are about this lime flavor. And it doesn't taste like, for y'all that don't know, it doesn't taste, I'm not sponsored, okay? Don't put a sponsorship on this thing, TikTok. Not sponsored at all. For those of y'all that wonder what it tastes like, it's not like a lemon lime, like Sprite or 7-Up. It's not like that. It tastes like a lime Skittle. It tastes like lime candy. Let me show y'all something. It just occurred to me. My sister used to go to this Mexican restaurant. None of this matters to y'all. I know it don't, but it's morning. It's morning coffee talk, y'all. But my sister used to go to this Mexican restaurant in Dallas. And when you leave, sometimes they have peppermints or they have little things for you. They had this candy right here. That's candy right here. And it is lime and cream. And it is the best hard candy you ever put in your mouth. I get these from Amazon. I used to give these to my clients when I used to do lashes. They would beg for these. They're so good. They're lime and cream, and they're so good. And that is what we do here in the morning with this lime and cream. Same thing. That's what we got going on here. That's what we got going on. Not everybody does the cream though. Some people just want the lime, and they're literally trying to make it themselves. So my question to you is, Alani, what is the deal? Why won't you just put it back in production? You got several flavors that people don't even care about. I understand that Witch's Brew, which P.S. people have asked me what I thought about the Witch's Brew. It's all right. I'm not an apple girl though, so I don't care about the Witch's Brew. My daughter loves it, but I don't. But could this be next? Could y'all just put this back in production after you're done with the production with Witch's Brew? Because somebody's gonna blow up their kitchen. Somebody's gonna blow up their kitchen trying to make this stuff. Anyway, I was gonna tell y'all I had my little. There's some procedures you have done, some things you have done, and they really don't make a difference, I don't think. But this is the second one I've done, and it is microneedling with exosomes and PDRN. She puts this stuff in it, and the microneedling and what microneedling does is, according to her, I'm not an esthetician or anything medical, okay? I'm barely anything. But anyway, she said that the needles cause damage to your skin, micro damage. And when your body says, oh, let me fix that, it creates collagen and creates to fix those little holes that it just put in your face. Not only that, it's putting medicine in your face too. It's putting, PDRN and exosomes and all the things that your skin needs. And it makes it as it starts to repair itself, it plumps it up and it causes collagen to come back to your skin and stuff. And listen, it has made a world. She said, if you want something that you can tell right away, I could tell after my first one, which was 2 weeks ago, right away. But every one they do, they go a little bit deeper. And this time hurt a little bit. So next time I'm a little bit scared because you do 3 treatments and then you wait a couple months and you can do it again. And then there's even more one called, I think it's called Morpheus or something, where they go really deep. They have to numb your face. They don't have to numb mine. It's a little red today. but you don't have to numb it. But with that other one where you have to, the Morpheus, she said it's almost like a facelift. And dadgummit, you know I'm gonna do it. You know I'm gonna do it. But I want to show y'all. Of course, the beauty mode's on. It's always on. But I'm gonna take it off and show y'all. Okay, you see? So the beauty mode is gonna darken my lips a little bit, and it gives you a little bit of smoothing. But I'm gonna turn it off because I want y'all to see how good this stuff is. Okay, now it's off. Can you see my lips are not? My lips are not. I don't have any lipstick on, but they look a little lighter. But you can see some of the wrinkles and stuff. But what a difference that stuff has made. I'm telling you, I get Botox. I get Botox here and here. Look at me getting so close to the skip that I got leftover mascara. I didn't put makeup on yesterday because you can't because that medicine's on there. But I did put some mascara, but it doesn't matter. But anyway, I get Botox here, and she'll put a couple of shots here, and she put some shots, like 1, 2, 3, 4. She put shots right here because I have drink through a straw too much. So I have those smoker's lines, even though I've never smoked a day in my life, just drink through a straw. I need to quit, but I'm not going to, okay? I'm not going to. But anyway, but look, yeah, I'm always doing this. I'm always saying, this is all I need. I just want this right here. For when I talk about facelift, I just want this. But she said this is as close to a facelift as you're going to get because it's repairing your skin and causing your skin to tighten back up. And it really has. It really has. Let me turn that back on, y'all. All right, it's back on. Sometimes it's not even on. Sometimes I forget to turn it on. That's it. I was just telling y'all good morning. Showing y'all what I was saying was once the little holes go in there, the medicine goes in the holes, like below the surface of your skin. So, and it's not medicine. I don't know what it is. It's PDRN and exosomes. I don't know what those are, but they're supposed to be good for your skin. Instead of it just being on top of your skin, those little holes put it below the surface, and it's helpful. Okay. So anyway, I'm like I said, I'm going down fine. I'm gonna do it all. I'm gonna do all of it. Look over here. I got a World Market haul if y'all want it. I was gonna put it away, and I thought maybe I should tell them what I got from World Market. So get on here within the next hour. Some of y'all, especially on Facebook, y'all get these good morning videos at 4 o'clock in the afternoon. That ain't me, y'all. That is the Book of Faces putting it on there when they want to. I'll push post, and it'll say posting. It may be my internet. I don't know. But it posts when it wants to post. So sorry that y'all get a good morning video right before bed, but sometimes it happens that way. But anyway, if you get it within the next hour or so, and you want to see my haul that I got from before I put it away, y'all let me know, and I'll get on here and do a haul because I love a haul. I love to see what people got from the store. I can't help it. I love it, but I don't know if y'all do. So y'all let me know. Love y'all.